Hello guys, this is Ali Reza. Welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Home. In this video, I'll show you how you can set up Lamborghini Kaadas Smart Door Lock, the one that has face recognition. Before starting to set up this model of door lock, please click the subscribe button if you haven't done it and motivate me to upload more videos. Thank you. Let's start setting up this device after assembling it. I start by inserting its battery. As you heard, its language by default is in Chinese. The first step after inserting its battery is changing its master pin code. The default master pin code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In order to change the master pin code, on keypad you have to press the star button twice, then enter the default master pin code, then pressing hash button. Now you have to enter the new master pin code. Have in mind that it mustn't be simple. I insert the new master pin code, then press hash button. Then it must be re-entered. By pressing hash button, the new master pin code is set. In the menu, by pressing button 2 3 times, the language is changed to English. 1, 2, 3. By pressing a star button, you exit the master mode. Let's add face to the Lamborghini Kaadas Smart Door Lock. In order to add face or card or pin codes, you have to enter master mode or the menu. For doing so, a start button must be pressed twice, master pin code must be entered. Then hash button. It has voice guide. Following the voice guide, using and changing the setting, adding, removing pin codes, cards, and so forth is easy. As it's set for a setting user, 1 must be pressed. To register user face, 1 must be pressed. After that, user number must be pressed. This is the first face. I insert 0, 1. It must be 2 digits. Then I press hash button. Then you have to face the camera. Step backward. Enrollment successful. By pressing the star key, you can exit master mode. So, by entering to menu, or let's say master mode, which is done by pressing a star button twice and entering master pin code, then pressing 1, again 1, then entering the user number and pressing hash button, you can add face to the Lamborghini. Let's add fingerprint to the door lock. In order to add fingerprints, you have to enter to the master mode by pressing a star button twice, entering master pin code, pressing hash button, selecting 1,
Press 1 to set up a user pin code. Press 2 to set up a fingerprint. Press 3
to set up fingerprint, press 3,
two-digit user number.
enter 2-digit user number, I select 0, 1, then press hash button,
On the reader. To return to
press
the previous menu,
the finger on the reader,
finger from the reader and place finger on reader again. Please move your finger left slightly.
you have to follow its guide.
From the reader and place finger on reader again. Remove your finger from the reader and place finger on reader again. Please move your finger right slightly. Remove your finger from the reader and place finger on reader again. Remove your finger from the reader and place finger on reader again. Enrollment successful. Please two-digit user number.
Easily you can add fingerprint.
Press the star key.
By pressing the star key, you
Press
enter the previous menu.
Press 2 to set up a fingerprint.
Let's add
Press 3
pin code.
to set up an access card.
In advanced mode, after pressing 1, I press 2,
Two-digit user number. Then press pound key to return to the previous menu.
then enter user number, 01 I select, then hash button.
User pin code. Then press pound key to return.
Then you have to enter your user pin code. After that, press the hash button.
Enter again.
Enter it again, hash button.
Enrollment successful. Please
Enrollment successful.
then press pound key.
You can easily add
Previous menu.
cards
Star key.
following its voice guide.
Error. Please enter it.
Using its face recognition option, I have a recommendation. Disable power saving mode. Let's do it. I enter menu by pressing a star button twice, entering master pin code,
Master mode. For user settings, press 1.
pressing 6,
To turn on energy saving mode, please press 1. To turn off power saving mode, please press 2.
press 2.
Setup successful. For user settings, press 1. For system settings, press 2. For records query, press 3. To set up wireless function, press 4. To set up verification mode, press 5. To set up power saving mode, press 6. To set up auto mode, press 7. To return to the previous menu, press the star key.
I hope you have enjoyed this video.
Then press pound key.
If you have any question, do not hesitate to leave comments. Bye bye.